Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel where I share with you the best tips and tricks to boost your sales skills. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle a common sales objection like a pro. You know that annoying comment that your prospects throw at you when they are not ready to buy. I don't have time. How do you respond to this without sounding pushy, desperate, or rude? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to share some responses that work for closing more deals. Let's get started. I understand time is precious. How about we schedule a 15-minute call next week to discuss how our solution can save you hours of work every month? No problem. I don't want to take up your valuable time, but can I ask you one quick question before you go? What is the biggest challenge you are facing right now in your business? I hear you, time is money. That's why I'm calling you today. Our product can help you increase your revenue by 25% in the next quarter. Are you interested in hearing more? I appreciate your honesty, time is scarce, but let me tell you something. This is the best opportunity you will ever get to improve your results. Do you really want to miss out on that? I respect that. Time is limited, but so is this offer. We are giving you a special discount of 50% if you sign up today. This is a once in a lifetime deal. Are you ready to take action? No problem. I don't want to take up your valuable time. Can I send you a quick email with some information that might interest you? I appreciate your honesty. Time is of the essence. That's why I'm calling you today to offer you a limited time deal that you won't want to miss. I hear you, time is money. That's why our product is designed to help you increase your productivity and efficiency. Can I show you a short demo of how it works? I respect your time. That's why I'm calling you now. This is a rare opportunity to get access to a premium service at a discounted price. Are you sure you want to pass it up? So go ahead, make a note of these responses. You can copy the responses from my website, link is in the description, and don't miss to like and share the video and come back for more. Thank you.